This conference will
Good
now be
evening.
recorded.
Yeah. So team, the trial version meeting, the one which you are using right now, that will expire in 2 days. Means mostly Sunday, it will get expired. So you will get the, see, let me write down something first. Here. First point, very important point, tomorrow morning or Sunday morning. My suggestion, tomorrow end of the day. Tomorrow is a Saturday for you. Tomorrow, Saturday, end of the day, till end of the day, time is there for you to download the all recordings. If you anyone is not downloaded, please do it. Okay. And this recording also, today's recording also, class recording file, download tomorrow. EOD means before end of the day. Okay. Or tomorrow morning better. Otherwise, Sunday it will get expired. Only 2 days are pending. 2 days. Within 2 days, all recording files, if you are not downloaded in your laptop, it will get expired. So please do it. Second point, you will get the new GoToMeeting class link through emails. I will send. Yeah, from email. I sent the files to you yesterday, na Saeed. You just download. So you will get the new GoToMeeting class link through email. Good, good. I will send. Okay. Is this 2 points are clear?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
So Vidya, only one question. The notes are going to be expired too?
No, not notes. Only
Only
recording.
the videos. Okay.
Only video. Only video
Okay.
from email.
Okay.
But if you download in your laptop, permanently it will store.
Okay. Thank you.
Fine. Clear up to now? Yeah. We'll start the class. Yeah. So coding phase. So coding phase, we'll start the class. We are under SDLC, right? Software Development Lifecycle. Initial analysis. Initial interacting with the client and gathers the requirements. Analysis, detailed study of the requirement is done. Designing phase, architecture is created. Coding phase, start developing the software now. Let's see. So Windows and web projects means through internet, if you're opening any application, that is web-based project. Without any internet, just downloading the application in your laptop is desktop, Windows based. Without any internet is Windows, with the help of internet is web based. So let's see. Let's see here. Now, here, yeah. So by using this example, as I asked you yesterday also one question, if any doctor is coming into my location and the doctor is saying the doctor wants the software in such a way, like throughout the world, anyone can download the, anyone can access the software. So which application we need to create?
Based.
Web based.
Web based. Web based.
Web-based.
Yeah. Web based. So one school principal is coming into our location and that school principal is saying he wants the software in such a way where they can maintain their staff details in their computer only. No one should access.
Windows
No one
based.
should access. Windows based.
Window.
Web based.
Yeah, Windows, not web. So he wants to maintain their staff details in his computer only, means it's a desktop application. Just double click, window will get open, you can enter the details. See, so they can enter the details. Example, his staff his staff member details. Example, first name Neha, last name Shri. Example, gender, okay, let me write down your. So gender female, just test data I'm entering. Example only. So first three names remember. So that principal is saying he wants this type of software in such a way where they can maintain these details in his computer only. So first three names remember. First name, last name, gender. neha@gmail.com. Example. Remember first three names. I hit the save button. So it says what? Details submitted successfully. Details submitted successfully. Means somewhere else it's got stored. Now, see, data got clear. Now go to the same folder. Here, if you open the DB file, DB means database file. So what is the name which we enter? Neha Patel. See. So it's got stored here. It's got stored here. So whatever data we enter, it's got stored. So this is called what? This is called your database area. This is the requirement which is asked by client. Now this project is called what? Desktop Windows based project. And this project will comes under through internet if you access, that is web based. Without any internet, Windows based. This point is clear all of you? What is Windows and what is web?
Yes.
Yes.
Very good. Now let's see. Here, who will decide Windows based or web based? Means management will decide. Purely management means project manager and development lead will decide mainly. So here, with the help of client given requirements, and please make it mute, with the help of, so or based on client given requirements, based on client given requirements and based on usage of the software by client, based on client given requirements, based on usage of the software by client, management will decide here. So mainly management means project manager, development lead. In my company, project manager and development lead will decide which based project need to be developed. Okay. Management will decide, means project manager and development lead will decide which based project need to be developed, and that information will be provided to whom? All team members. All team members. Now developer with the help of management information, because as per the client requirements, management deciding, okay, if client is saying he wants to maintain the software in his computer only, means Windows, we need to plan. If client is saying he wants the software where throughout the world anyone can access, means we will go with web based. Like this, management will decide which based project need to be developed. Okay. Now developer, with the help of management information and with the help of FRS, SRS and TDD, means FRS means functional requirement specification, SRS means software requirement specification. It contains client needs, it contains timelines, budget, technology information, it contains architecture of the project, TDD. So with the help of these documents, developer start developing. Now developer, with the help of management information and with the help of these documents, they will start developing the software by writing what? Code or a program. By writing code or a program. This is the developer job, means have a look. So this type of code or a program, developers start developing. Clear, team? So single line of code also you no need to remember. It's a purely developer job. It's a purely developer. Single line of code also you no need to remember. All of you read these points. If anyone having a questions, ask me. So still now your work not yet started. Still now your work not yet started. Okay? Clear?
Yeah.
Good. Now next. So what is the next point? So every company's developer, every company must follow some basic rules while developing the software. So while developing the software, every company must follow below rules. So what it is means here, see, project must contain title like this, name of the project. Title should be there, personal details like this, name should be there. One more example. So title means name should be there in the project. Like this title should be there. One is project should contain title, means name. These two basic rules every company will follow. First letter of the title should be in uppercase. It should be in uppercase. Okay? And see, you tell me, team, just by seeing this application, for you, is it possible to answer this add button is working fine or not working fine? For you, is it possible?
No, we can't.
No. You can't say, right?
Yeah.
You can't say whether it is working fine or not working fine. Now, just by seeing this application, what are all the mistakes you can figure it out? We can find out. Yes, Said, you are right. We need to put the input data. So before that, one point, just by seeing this application, what are all the defects you can identify? So you can identify the spelling mistake. See here, calculator, LATOR should be there, spelling mistake. And next, some more mistakes you can find out. Example here. See, alignment problem. You can find out. See, two buttons are there. Height wise, width wise, it's not good looking. It's not good looking. So this is what? Consistency problem. This is consistency. And here, font size problem. And here, font style problem. So these are all the mistakes. Without doing any actions, just by observing, you are going to find out. Okay? And these mistakes, we are calling it as a GUI mistakes, graphical user interface mistakes, defects. Now, as a friend also said, if I want to know whether this add button is working fine or not, what I have to do? I need to input some data like 5, 2, and hit the add button. Now you can realize it's working fine or not working fine. Now you can realize. Got it? So this is called functional defect. This is called what? Functional defect. So with the performing some actions, you are testing. This is functional problem. What is GUI problem is look and feel, spelling mistakes. Yeah. So here you can see one spelling mistake. So just by visibility testing is done. This is look and feel problems. Spelling mistake. Okay. Now, without performing any actions on the application, with you're observing the application, this is GUI problems. So very obvious thing, developer make a mistakes, not wantedly, it's happened because their work itself is really tough. Their work itself is really tough. So that's the reason we are having a job. So in project, there should not be any GUI problems and functional. So GUI problem is look and feel, like spelling mistakes. These are all GUI problems. Look and feel, spelling mistake, alignment, font size, font style, consistency. So these are all GUI problems. Functional means when I enter 5 and 2, hit the add button, instead of 7 it is giving 3. So add button is not working. This is functional problem. Calculator misspelled is GUI problem. So in project, there should not be any GUI and functional problems. There should not be. But very obvious thing, developer will make this mistake. That's the reason we are having a jobs in the market. That's the reason we are having a jobs in the market. Clear? This point is clear?
Vidya,
Yes, please.
what did you say GUI stands for?
Graphical user interface. Let me write down. In coming days, dead easy way with examples I will teach you. Right now, remember the name. Graphical user interface. Okay, very obvious thing. These two, okay, commonly they will make it. But this is the problem very commonly happens by developer in the software because their work itself is tough. That's the reason we are having a jobs in the market. Is that clear, team? Finally, they will write the code and develop the software or a build. Software or a build. This is called your fourth phase, coding phase. Developers start developing the software by writing code. So with the help of guidelines provided by management, with the help of documents and by following these rules, they will start developing the software, and that software we are calling it as a build also. If anyone having a questions in this point to understand, please let me know. Just read it and let me know, please. So code means this type of code, single line of code also you no need to remember. This type of code they will write. Okay. As a tester, we no need to remember single line of code also. Okay. Now next. So what is the next point? So now our work starts. Your actual testing work. Testing phase. SDLC, manual syllabus means only two topics are important. One is SDLC, the one which we are running. Another one is SDLC. In coming days, we are going to start. These two topics only important. Software development life cycle and software testing life cycle. Software development life cycle you are learning right now. Here. So, software testing life cycle, STLC. In coming days, we will plan. Time is there for this. So same, your tips. What task is going on? First of all, we are also having we required some input in our hand. So input. We required what? FRS document and build. Now task. Testing the software. Role. Tester. Testing the software which is developed by developer. Here. Testing the software developer. Okay, now process. Just guidelines I will teach you here. That guidelines in detail in STLC you are going to learn. Step 1. V means testers. We will get the FRS. Means this type of FRS you will get it. Have a look. FRS requirement specification. We will get the FRS like this. Now, first step you need to read the FRS document. First step. We will get the FRS. Start reviewing the FRS. While reviewing, if at all any doubts found, then prepare review report and send to BA. Business analyst. In short, business analyst. Because FRS document, if you remember, BA only prepares. Main key role is BA, right? FRS. Business analyst is a key resource. So let's see. So you got some doubts. What is the doubts means? See, incomplete information. Description is not given here. Object name is missing. Spelling mistakes are there in the document. These are all called doubts you are having in the FRS document. These are all doubts you are having in the FRS document. So when we are reading, we got some doubts in the FRS. What we have to do means you need to inform to business analyst. We need to inform to business analyst. So we will get the FRS document. We are start reading. In that, if at all any doubts found, prepare review report and send it to BA. So these doubts, I'm preparing review report like this. Have a look. Just previous student file I'm going to show you. See, I'm saying boss spelling mistake is there, object description is missing, object name is missing. Like this, I have prepared the review report and sent it to BA. This review report. Dead easy way I'm going to teach you in coming days practically in HTLC. Then step 2, waiting for clarifications. So first testing is what? You got some doubt in the FRS document, you prepared the review report. So, and waiting for clarifications. Waiting for clarifications. Now, let's see. BA will give the clarifications. One fine day, BA will give the clarifications and make the changes in the FRS. Whatever mistakes are there, they will give all the changes, means they will correct the information and release it the updated FRS document like this. See, this is your updated FRS document. Earlier there was some mistakes, now they clarified that mistakes. So next step, you are waiting for clarifications. One fine day, BA will give the clarifications, and who will send to whom? Coming days you will understand in STLC. Okay, that is called reporting phase. Time is there. Today you just follow my instructions, what is what. In future we are going to do. So one fine day, BA will give the clarifications and updated FRS will be released to testing. You got the updated FRS. Now start reviewing the updated FRS. Again you need to read. Review means reading. If at all any doubts found, then prepare what? Prepare review report only and resend. If there was no doubts, then start writing the test cases and test data. All of you read this point. If anyone having a doubt, please ask me. If no doubt, please make it mute by your end. Any doubts, unmute and talk to me.
Vidya.
Uh-huh.
So FRS is coming from BA, right?
Yes, my dear.
So this is still, we are not getting anything from the developer.
No, not yet.
Okay, okay.
First, FRS only released to us.
So this is the first step where FRS started. It's I'm sorry, the BA started the FRS and they are going to give it to us.
Yes.
Okay.
They're going to release to us as well as to developer. That we least bother. If developer is having any clarifications, it's their headache. To
Okay.
develop the software, they require some clarifications. To test the software, we require some clarifications. We made it.
So,
Okay.
so BA will send it to developer and also for us too, the FRS.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Fine.
Hey Vidyak,
Now,
quick question.
yes, please.
So when we send our review report to BA, shouldn't we copy the PM and the developer on that email?
No. Means copy means CC you're sending. You're
Uh,
emailing and making CC them. That in
yes,
reporting
CC.
class, I will. Yeah, you can make CC. Here I will teach you, dear. Time is there. Reporting flow is there. To
Got it.
whom you're sending and all. Here I will teach. Okay,
Got it.
reporting phase. Yeah. Right now, just one department to another department. What is what I'm teaching you. Okay. So definitely CC your higher authority like development lead, project manager will be there in
Yeah.
emails in that loop. Yeah.
Thank you.
Next. Fine. Waiting for build now. You return the test case and test data with the help of FRS. Now you are waiting for the build or a software. Now one fine day, developer develop the software and released build one. First time it called it as a build one and released build one to testing department. You got the build. So now your testing process. So before that, like this, you have written the test cases and you prepared the test data and you are waiting for the software or a build. One fine day, developer develop the software, make the software as a build one and release to testing department. Now what you will do? Software is ready. Software is ready. This type of software is ready. Now you start executing all your test cases in this build, which is called execution process. Like open the application, check the all fields are there or not, check spelling mistakes, check the alignments, check the consistency, check the button functionality is working fine or not. Like this, you have written the test cases. That cases you are executing now. That is called a testing process. So sixth step, start executing all test cases in that build. While executing, sorry, if at all any defects found, then prepare defect profile and send to development department. So whatever test cases you have written, one case, yeah, not releasing. Okay, not releasing is client delivery and maintenance project releasing. Okay, defect profile we are sending. So example, one case you written like enter valid data in both the fields. Like enter valid data username, password Mercury, click OK button. One case you have written. Let's say for example, here example, one case you said enter valid data in both the fields. OK button, test case. Enter valid data in both the fields, click OK button. Basically, it should navigate to corresponding page. This is the test case which you written. Now I'm doing the task. I entered valid data like Vidya, password like Mercury. I hit the OK button. Some error message is coming up. Again, I tried. Entered valid data in both the fields, click OK button. Some error message. So this is defect. This is called defect. Now what we have to do means if you got any defects, we need to track all the defects together. Sorry, and prepare defect profile like this. This is one defect profile, and this defect profile we are sending to development department. That is the point here. Now waiting for Clarifications. Waiting for clarification. Each and every step practically I will teach you in STLC class. Today you just remember the name, like review report. Name only remember. What to do in coming days. Test case, test data, defect profile. Just remember the names.
Vidya,
Now, one fine day. Yes, dear.
so for the test cases, test data, and defect profile, do you follow a certain type of template?
Yes. Templates with scenarios. We will follow certain templates. So this is the review report. I told you na coming days you will learn. Review report, test cases template, test data template is also there. Defect profile template is also there. Status report is also there. So certain templates we are following to prepare it. Yes, dear. And also some rules we need to follow. Some scenarios we need to follow. That in practically I will teach you. Time is there for that.
They also have a certain
Next.
language for that?
No language.
Oh, okay.
Okay, scenarios are fine. Testers, no language, nothing.
Thank you.
Yeah. Any more doubts? Please let me know.
So Vidya,
Mhm.
so tester have to prepare the test cases in a both way, right? Is the positive side or negative side?
Yeah, and blank way also. Positive,
Okay.
negative, blank, all combination. See, here
So
you can see example.
all the possible test cases, tester have to prepare, right?
Yes, you are absolutely right. See,
Okay.
positive, negative, blank, combination. Always you need to prepare. That dead
Mm,
easy way in coming days I will teach you.
yeah.
Okay,
Thank you.
fine,
Yeah.
fine, dear. Next, any more doubts? Yeah. So one fine day, developer fixed the defects and released next build called build to. Okay, here's typo error. Sorry, you asked this one, right?
Yeah.
Sorry. So and release the next build called build to the testing department. DPT means department. Okay, you got the next build. So here what you said, boss, when I enter valid data called Vidya, password called Mercury, when I hit the OK button, instead of it should navigate to next page, but it is not. It's saying incorrect password. You raise the defects and to developer. You prepare the defect profile. Now you are waiting for clarifications. One find a developer fixed. Now what we will do as a tester, we are rechecking. Okay, we are rechecking all these defects are fixed or not. Whatever defects you raised, you are rechecking now. So here, one find a developer will fix and release it the next build. Now tester will re-execute all test cases in that build. So if at all any defects found, then if at all any defects found, then prepare defect profile, same defect profile only, prepare defect profile and resend it to development department. Okay, if there was no defects, then it will be quality project. So my dear team, this process will be continuous till the project is defect free. Till the project is defect free. So I'm rechecking. If the problem is fixed, example, I'm rechecking. I entered Vidya. Earlier when I entered password Mercury, it is not moving to the next page. Now same step I'm doing. I hit the OK button. Yes, it is moving. So problem got fixed. So it's a quality project released to client. Still the problem is there, miss. again preparing the defect profile, sending back to developer. So this process will be continuous till the project is defect free. This is called your testing. Hi Akin, any problem to connect the class, dear? You joined late today. Akin, please unmute and talk to me. Meanwhile, rest of the team, please read it. This is important topic. Your actual roles and responsibilities are this. You are not answering me, Akin. What happened? Maybe his audio is not working. Okay. So team, let me know. So finally, we confirmed its project is defect free, means output is quality project. Saeed, Lakshmi, Sazia, Priti, any doubts? Neha, Mandar, Akin?
No, Neha,
Yeah,
I'm good.
one doubt for me.
Yes, please.
When you uh, do the checking, like all the tests, you will run the test cases and everything.
Mhm.
Will you be checking the code? No, right? I mean,
No,
you will check the
not at
output.
all. Not at all. Only output. See, example. See, I'll give the example here. This is the backend code which is returned by developer to create one calculator application. So they will execute and they will release only application, not this code.
Okay,
Only
okay,
they will release the build or a application like this. Code, single line of code also not released to us. Only this exe file software will be released. No code, nothing. According to the FRS document, you are testing. While testing, you got two defects. Calculator misspelled. When you enter 5 and 2, hit the add button, mistake. What you did now, these two defects, you are creating the defect profile and sending to developer. Defect profile. Now, developer will fix the problems in the coding area. Masters.
and then he will
Okay,
send it to you, and then you will test and then say, okay,
exactly. So, developer fix the problems and released the next build called to the testing department. Here. So, you said in build one, how many defects you got? Two defects. Calculator misspelled. Now it's corrected. Now I'm entering 5 and 2. Hit the add button. Yeah, it's fixed. Got it?
yeah, got it.
Good.
Vidya, I have one question. So,
Mhm.
so once we checked and we still found some mistakes, so we are going to use the same document that we
Yes.
previously we sent, or we are going to send a separate new document with the defects written in that, or it's
Yeah.
the same
So,
document.
yeah, I'll answer you. So this is the defect profile you prepared and sent to developer. If this problem is still fixed, same document, just you are using the status called reopen. These are all in coming days topics. Okay, your
Okay,
actual practical concepts. But anyways, I'll answer you. So you
okay,
will just make the status as a reopen and sending back. If the
okay,
problem is really fixed, you will make the status as close. Still the problem is there, you just make the status as a reopen and sending same defect profile, resending to developer.
okay. Thank
Okay,
you.
if any
Yeah.
new defect is there, at the bottom you are writing in same profile, only at the bottom you are writing.
Okay.
Okay, good,
Yeah. Thank you.
fine, dear. Any more doubts? So with this we confirmed project is quality. This quality project we need to release to whom? To client. That is only your last phase of the SDLC. Software development life cycle. Last phase is delivery and maintenance phase. Delivery and maintenance phase. Let's see. Same. Something should be there. So input. So input is quality project. So task, installing the software. installing the software in client location. Role, installing the software in client location. Role, in my company, deployment engineer or network engineer, both are same. Project manager, development lead, and test lead. These are all the key resources involved. Key resources will involve. Okay. Now process. Process. So what exactly the process here is? See, first of all, this development lead will create some guidelines document to install the software. So development lead, step by step procedures will be there. So development lead will create guidelines document to install the software in client location. Okay. So network engineer with the help of that guidelines document they will install the software in client location. While installing, if at all any technical problems faced by network engineer, then mainly development lead will take care, or project manager if needed. Development lead will take care of those technical problems. Example, see, one recent experience which I got in my office area. I'll show you one example. So this is one project. In this you can see one date format. So one technical issue, when in our company when we are opening, it's working properly, it's opened properly. When I'm trying to open in client area, suddenly it's giving this type of date format issue. One thing, .NET framework something, when I click continue, it's moving on to the page, it's connecting to the page like this. Here you can see date format is day, month, year. Here in my computer also day, month, year. This is date format. So project is developed based on software company system date format, like date, month, year. Project is developed based on system date format. Okay. Now next, here the same project when we are trying to install in client location, client computer, example this is client system. Client system date format is month, date, year. Client system date format is month, day, year. That's the reason it is not working. That is the reason it's not working here. Client system date format is month, date, year. So both are mismatching, right? Both are mismatching. So because of this is one technical problem in our company we are not facing. Why we are not facing in our company? Tell me. Anyone in the class?
Yeah, because your system is on the same format, date, month, year.
Exactly. Our system is in same format, date, month, year. Okay. So that's a reason it's working properly to us. It's working properly to us. But whereas come to client area, it's not responding properly because client system date format is mismatching here. This is one technical problem only this employee will sort out. Development lead. As a test lead, I'm gonna check all the things are responding properly or not. So that's the reason tester as well as developer will be available. So this is one technical issue. This is one technical issue. Clear, team? So if there was no technical issue, then software is installed successfully. If there was no technical problem, then software will get installed successfully in client location. Now, test lead will give the project demonstration to client. Project demonstration means how to access the software. Client, like how to access the software. Means I'm explaining to client like, boss, you need to enter username called this, password called so and so. After entering username and password, if you click OK button, or if you enter all the details, this one. Just I explained to you, right? Same way I can into my client also. Like once you enter details in front end application, once you enter, all details will get saved into the database. By using this sheet, you can retrieve the data or you can check the data we stored in the database. Like this, we are giving project to client. Got it, team?
Yes.
Yeah. Now, next. With this software is released to client successfully. In future, if client wants any changes, we are ready to do those changes with the excess cost, extra cost. So in future, if at all client wants any changes, then software company is ready to do those changes with the cost. This process will come under maintenance phase. Okay. Example, today we created this. In future, client is saying, boss, I want here any view option. If I click, all the details should be stored in this area. So in future, example, otherwise this one. When I created the login application, here user and password OK button should be there. We create in future, client is asking, that is called change request. So if client asks any changes, company is gonna create those changes dealing with excess cost. Client is asking, I want, earlier they said I want username, password, OK button. But here one more point they are asking, we are creating that one. We means concern department. This is called maintenance phase. Maintenance dealing with excess cost. This is called end of SDLC. Okay, team? Clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Good. So, class recording file download tomorrow morning because it will get expired, and you will get the new GoToMeeting class link through email I will send. Okay, this link will get expired within 2 days. Within 2 days. So
So
Monday
on Monday
for
we will
next
get,
class.
right?
Yes, yeah, Monday.
Okay.
Check your emails.
So you said morning. So is there any time limit that we have
No
to?
limit. No limit. Oh, 2
No,
days
no, for
time
the
is there.
no, because you did mention it's like the video. It's like the recording is going to delete in morning, right?
No, I didn't said morning. Within 2 days it will get expired. So don't wait late night. Morning you can download.
Oh, okay.
Class recording file download more tomorrow morning, I said.
Okay.
Otherwise you
Okay.
will wait late night. That's the reason I returned.
Oh, okay. I misunderstood you. Sorry
No
about that.
problem. No problem. No problem. Okay, team. Anything else
Okay.
you want? Please let me know.
Yeah, I just able to get in now,
Yeah, Akin, what happened?
I don't know, maybe it's the computer or the website, it just, I can hear you, but it just blocked me out, I can't even see what is written on the class or.
Oh
So,
my God. Okay. Maybe connectivity issue because if everyone is getting the same problem is website GoToMeeting problem. Otherwise, sometimes if you are getting that problem, immediately try to restart your system. Close all the things, whatever is open, restart your system, it will work. Okay.
okay.
So, but anyways, I will send the recording, go through it. If any doubts you're having, you can clarify in the class Monday. Okay, team?
Okay, so you said the recording is going to be available tomorrow morning. I could go through that.
Yeah, download it. Did you
Okay.
downloaded all files? Till now, 4 classes I updated to you.
Yeah, I
Did you
think I got
download it?
3. Yeah, I did 3 already, so this would be the 4th one.
Yeah, this you download morning. Within
Okay.
2 days, it will expire. Safe side, download morning. Then next link when I'm creating, that will be available for 14 days.
Okay, you
Okay?
say what? You're creating another link for 40 days?
14 days it will create. That we'll discuss later. That is not the point. You just download this one. Okay?
Okay.
Okay then. Bye-bye. Take care.
Bye, Vidya.
Okay,
Okay,
bye.
bye.
Happy weekend,
Yeah.
all of you.
A
Be
great weekend.
safe.
Yeah.
See you on Monday. Thank
Bye.
you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye, dear. Take care. Bye-bye.